Hi everybody, welcome to A La Carte Cooking Happy Hour.
Hello.
We are still in our Arcane Aromatics Happy Hour month, so Liz is joining us.
Here I am.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, super fun.
Yeah. You want to tell them what we have planned for them today?
Oh yes, so
I'm very excited.
This is in honor of Auntie Shirley.
Yes,
who is watching.
Auntie Shirley, thank you so. Auntie Shirley tunes in, I think, every week.
Every week.
Yeah, and Grandma
she shows
Mimi.
Grandma. Yes, hi Grandma.
Hi,
Mimi.
Grandma Mimi. Thank you.
Thank you for being here. And so Auntie Shirley loves Citron Bomb, which is one of our aromatic compounds.
Yes.
And so again, like we've chatted about, this is a different way to use a product that you have in your house. So the idea is we're using everyday cocktails, or a little fancier, but still like things you'd have around the house. We're a little bougie.
We like it.
And then add a little bit of this just to change the profile.
Yes.
For you. So we're going to start with the sidecar because it's easier.
I don't know the ratios on this one, so you're going to have to tell me the ratios on this one.
Yeah, so again, shout out to Wes who helped kind of smell the different aromatics and help us put together the cocktail that we felt like would be a winning combination.
Mm-hmm.
So,
yes, he's very good like that.
He's very good like that. So we've got a sidecar. So we're going to do 2 ounces of the cognac.
This one's a special cognac too.
Beautiful bottle.
I don't even know how to say this name. Cognac. It's a do you say?
That's a horrible joke, West. It's not good.
For those of you that didn't hear that, he said, "Do you say what?" We're gonna have to find this one. This is exceptional on its own as well. If you just wanted a sipping cognac, this one's delightful. You said 2 ounces?
2 ounces, please. Yeah.
Like the first time we made a cocktail with this company.
Yes, that is very true. First time we've made a cocktail with this because it's so delicious. We have not mixed anything with it. So I kind of think of it as like wine. If wine is exceptional on its own, it's going to be even better mixed into recipes.
I think they say that, right? Like you wouldn't want to cook with a wine you don't want to drink.
Right. Yes, because think about it. Like when you boil down, or you're simmering and you're reducing a sauce, you're taking the liquids out of it and you're only intensifying the flavor. So if you don't like a wine, my goodness, it's going to taste shitty.
Yeah,
in
too much.
a sauce.
Too much.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
And how much?
All right, so we have...
This is lemon juice, by the way.
Yeah, so we have 3/4 ounce fresh
lemon juice. We used the reamer before we started the episode.
I wasn't going to tell them that. I was going to leave that part out, but here we are. For Uncle Tim, okay? For Uncle Tim. This is a very family-forward episode.
Okay, I don't know where we're at now. We did the lemon juice.
We're skipping around. Yes, now this one. This pretty orange liqueur.
Is it Cointreau or Cointreau? Cointreau.
I would have said it the other way. So agree to disagree.
It's spelled like coin, right? Cointreau, right? I don't.
Ooh.
Yes, this one's delightful.
Yeah, it smells real good. Nice and orangey.
Flavorful.
A little myrcene for those into terpenes.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Dig deep on that one.
Good job. Look at you. I'm impressed. I said something about alpha pinene the other day to somebody, and they were like, "Oh, you know terpenes?"
Yes.
I was like, "Yes." As a matter of fact,
because they're everywhere.
They are.
All the things.
Yes, everywhere. Okay, now what?
Okay, that's it. Now we do ice.
Now we do ice. So the Citron Bomb's going on top?
We're gonna do it on top.
On top, okay.
Yeah. So Miss Dana is gonna do her normal.
I do the shaking.
Aggressive shaking.
I think it's better.
It is better. It is totally better. And I tried last month when we did the Women's Month, if you saw that episode, and I'm in the background like dying because there's no way I can shake it like this for as long, and it gets so cold. My hands were frozen, so there's all kinds of problems. So we're going to leave this to the expert who actually has the happy hour show. All right, I'm going to sneak over you.
Yes, please do. Okay. Oh, this already smells so good.
Okay.
Do you want to try? Okay, so here's the question. Last week's episode, we did a drop on top.
Yes.
Do you want to put the drop in the glass, or do you want it on top?
I feel like on top is a floater, because we're going to get more of that.
No, that is very true.
Like aromatic experience when you're sipping it, and I'm not sure what would happen if we. Oh my goodness, Dana!
Okay, hold on.
This is, wow. Wow.
That's Dana.
Mmm.
Okay, you smelled this one.
Mmm.
This is very nice. Okay, the Citron Bomb. So, I mean, it sounds like it's going to be
so much.
Yeah, aggressively citrusy, but it does have this strong lemon flavor. Oh.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's a
Can you get this?
pretty
Wesley's running our
little-
camera today. Thank you, Wesley.
It's a drop. This glass is perfect for these drinks.
Right?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, that's nice.
it's quite lovely.
It's like
Beautiful.
galaxy.
Oh my goodness! We were just talking about it.
Okay. This is you.
This is, you go first because
Okay.
it's in your hands already.
Oh, it smells so nice.
Okay, good. We hoped.
Mmm. Mmm. Okay, so you guys know that I tasted it first without the Citron Bomb. I like it so much more with the Citron Bomb.
Yeah, and again, I mean, I know we talked about this last time, but it's like when your nose is this close to it, I mean, it just, you feel this citrus like pop in your face.
Yes.
In a good way.
In a great way.
Right? It's not in your eye. It's not burning. It's just delicious.
Not flying into your eyeball, burning your eyes. No. I like it so much.
Oh, I really like it.
Yes.
I definitely think the way to go is that little bit of the garnish on the top.
I would agree. I like it better with the garnish on top as opposed to by itself. Wesley, you have to try this. Do you want to taste without it?
What was that, the gram, the
Taste this one.
This is the sidecar.
Sidecar with the Citron Bomb.
That is a completely different drink.
Yes. Which do you like better?
I like
Me
this.
too. Me too. And I'm not just saying that because we've definitely made drinks on here that we do not.
The sidecar is good. Like what
Yes,
Wes is
the
trying right now,
sidecar is
what I
good.
had in the little shot glass, it is still good, but it is a different drink.
Completely different.
Wow, that is very different.
It is very different. Now, I have to say, if we were making this for Grant,
Yeah.
he would want simple in this.
Sure.
This is not, we didn't use any simple in this. The only sweetness that is coming from any of the ingredients, as far as like a sugary sweetness, is the Grand Imperial Orange Liqueur. This, the cognac on its own is delightful and has a sweetness to it, but it is not a sugary sweet in my opinion.
I think Louise would really like this. Our mother-in-law tends to go on the more tart side, so I think she would be super into that.
It's delightful. I really like that.
I really like this one too.
That was, I think we accomplished a lot on
Yeah.
this one. Okay, so our second beverage.
Oh yes, how
We
wonderful.
have beverage number 2 is
Yes.
we are making a lemon drop.
We are.
So I'm gonna move this.
It's just
put it
closer
right
to
here.
me, I think. Closer to my side here. That would
Okay.
be wonderful.
All right, I'm gonna put this up here. Wes is gonna finish that. We're gonna shift gears a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse this, and what Liz is gonna show you is we are going to make the Arcane Aromatics infused sugar for a sugar rim lemon drop.
Yes.
So rather than using the terpenes in the actual beverage,
Right.
in the sugar.
We're gonna change it up a little
Yes. So let me give you this.
Thank you so much.
And the measurement, just for your reference on this, is 7 grams or a quarter ounce.
Okay.
So we're gonna mix in here, and then we're gonna
Oh yes. this
rim
is for
our
the
glass
We'll put that to the side. for
on the plate while I quickly rinse.
So this is something that David has experimented with before, and we tried different ways to bring out the flavor. And like Dana said, not just putting it on top or mixing it into the drink. So one of the other ways you could do is make an aromatics bitter. So again, you're just doing a little bit. This way we think would be pretty fun to have it infused in the sugar. So again, every sip of that drink is gonna have a little bit of the terpene enhancement around the glass.
I'm excited for this. How much sugar did you use, just so we know?
I did 2 scoops.
Okay, so a half ounce
So I'm gonna use
by weight.
2 drops in this one.
Well, I guess by volume.
We're gonna start with 2 drops. And we're gonna see. And again, the
get a
idea
spoon
is
that's
to not be, we don't wanna overpower it. We know it's gonna be in a small amount that you're gonna end up like consuming. But as long as we have that, the flavor right there as you're sipping it, that's what we're going for.
Oh, this is amazing.
Yay!
Okay, so what's interesting is the sugar is changing texture just a little bit, but not like, it's not turning into a paste or
No.
anything like that. It's becoming I almost want to say a little more granulated, like it's going to hold on to the glass better. And it looks fluffier.
It does look fluffy. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's gonna be nice.
That's
Guys,
going to be bomb.
You're gonna like this.
Two enough?
Yes. Do you want to
two is
smell beforehand? Wesley's going to smell. He's our nose when it comes to, he's very good when it comes to mixing.
That's very intense.
It's, yes. If someone doesn't want as intense of a flavor or an
Just one
aroma,
drop.
just one drop. But I think the two's going to be, I think it's going to serve well.
I think so too. And part of that is again with like the type of drink that you're making. So for me,
Let's do that here so they can see.
oh yes. So I was gonna say, so, oh my goodness, thank you. So again, we were talking about a little earlier, like our mother-in-law Louise, and like this is one of her drinks of choice. Like she is known.
She loves a good lemon drop.
She loves a good lemon drop.
Yeah.
She makes the best lemon
Oh
drops.
my gosh, are they ever so good?
Get that so it can actually hit the glass.
Well, I was thinking that we would just like
Dip
turn
it.
it. Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
You do
too.
it. Or do you want me to?
Yeah, I can do it. I was just gonna say, do you want to start pouring
Yes.
the things?
Okay, so I will, you come here
we switch.
and you do that.
Yeah.
Oh, and I need this.
Yes, so Louise is known for her lemon drops, and like as we mentioned, she likes hers on the more tart side. I feel like as I've gotten older, I've definitely come around to that. So she is very generous when she's making drinks too. So like I will squeeze the lemons, but she is very particular about the way that she makes it. And when you taste them made by her, you understand why. Like the ratio is so important.
Yes, because they come out perfect every time.
They really do. And again, like because she'd make it, like Grant likes his, that's sweeter. She's gonna use more simple syrup for him. I honestly don't know if she uses simple syrup at all in hers. I almost feel like she doesn't because she likes it so tart. I could be a liar.
I'm not sure.
I
We'd
know
have
that
to
she
ask.
use-
Louise, you can put a comment down
Yes.
below in the video.
Yes.
So I've done, just so that for those of you that are watching, I know the recipe's up on our screen, but I've done 2 ounces of the vodka. I have done 3/4 ounce of the Grand Marnier, which is our orange liqueur, right? Is that, yeah, it has an orange liqueur flavor to it. I did 1 ounce of our lemon juice, and I'm gonna do 3/4 ounce of our simple syrup. And this, for those of you that haven't seen this before, this is our Demerara simple syrup. So you can have just the regular simple syrup with regular white sugar. We're a little bougie, and we like to do the Demerara.
Well, and I think what's helpful is you guys make it ahead of time and you
Yes.
keep it like this. So
We
it
keep this in the
is-
fridge.
Right. So
Yeah.
it is more effort. You do taste a difference with it, but when you make it in a larger batch, you're not making it every time you're going to make
No.
cocktails. So you bougie now and then serves you later.
Yes,
Right.
I would agree. Yes. Okay, we're gonna shake this. Oh, that rimmed glass looks so pretty. And it almost looks like the,
Sugar candy.
thank you.
Like the rock
I was
candy?
the rock candy. Yes, that's really.
Smell.
Oh, that's
That's
so
wild.
nice. And it's not overpowering.
Yeah.
Which I wasn't sure because that in that bowl, it was very intense.
Right.
The aromas in there.
When you think about the amount of sugar that I did, I went overboard in the amount that I poured into the dish itself. But you don't want to skimp when it comes to that.
No, you
part.
need it because if
Yeah.
you don't have enough, it's not going to coat it enough.
Right.
Did you see the episode that we did, the raspberry cobblertini?
No.
You're going to have to go back and
Okay.
watch that one. I'll put the link up here. So we made the raspberry martini.
Because it's
with-
not that one.
Yes, that one was with the wild roots, and I liked it so much it reminded me of a raspberry cobbler.
Okay.
That I was like, I wonder if we could actually get this to taste like a cobbler.
Yeah.
So we did brown sugar and graham cracker ground up in the Vitamix.
No.
And did a rim with it.
Oh my God.
Grant did his version of the rim, which had way more on the external.
Not surprising.
And mine was super pretty.
Yeah.
But very little on top,
Yeah.
right? It was just gorgeous. And he's like, okay, yours looks better, but his tasted better.
Yeah.
It needed the more.
It needed the ratio.
Okay, less talking, more shaking.
Okay, she's gonna do the shaking, the part she's very good at.
And I'm feeling for the ice to kind of like break into pieces. That's kind of where, that or I count to 20.
Okay. And then you know it's right.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, strainer. So again, this one has the terpenes, the Arcane Aromatics in the sugared prim. And puppies are playing in the background.
Oh, they went from silent fighting to shouting
So now
at each
we
other.
can hear.
Dana, look how pretty this is.
I
I'm
like
pretty
it
excited
so
about
much.
this.
Okay, your turn first.
Okay, I go first. Okay.
That's beautiful.
This is really pretty.
I would be very happy if this was served to me at a restaurant, and very impressed with whatever server didn't spill it on the way over.
Ooh, and then, okay. So as Dana is sipping, one top-notch lemon drop. It is wonderful. And then you kind of crunch the sugar at the end for the finish, and then you get the Citron Bomb. It's pretty great.
No, this is exceptionally
This
great.
is great. I'm gonna just.
You all need to get on
Okay.
to Arcane Aromatics and order that Citron Bomb. That one's not available on Amazon. That one's available on the website. That is amazing.
That is really good.
I really love that. So the sidecar was good.
Yes,
This is great.
this is great.
I want this at our next dinner party.
Yeah, we're gonna make
Leslie,
another
you
one
have
of these.
to. Yeah, I don't really want to share this one. We're gonna have to make 2 of these
We're gonna have to make another
or
one.
3 if Leslie wants
Good
one.
thing I made all that sugar, guys.
I know, right?
Some of
Yes.
you are probably thinking overboard. She doesn't know what
Right.
she's doing.
Well, I mean, I don't.
I'm just.
I
a
don't know what I'm doing
psychic,
either,
and,
but
I knew. It was
I
gonna
don't
be
think
good.
any of us really know what we're doing. But we just keep going until something works.
Yep. Lucky for us, first try.
This is exceptional.
This is great.
This was such a great recipe. I'm just going to leave. I completely wrote down the recipe on a little sticky note and put it in our book over here. Death and Company, thank you so much for the awesome book that you put together because we reference it frequently.
All the time.
Yeah, this is so good.
All right, friends. Well, thank you so much for joining us again. And if you're interested in trying, the Citron Bomb is arcanearomatics.com.
Yep, it'll be in the description below.
Yes.
We will see you next Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. Liz will be here again because we are still
You're not rid of me yet.
we're still in the month of Arcane Aromatics Happy Hours.
Yes.
Thank you so much. We'll see you then.
Bye.